Hi friends, my new topic is on the introductions of aircraft propulsion system. So you know all about this. This is a first video on the introduction of aircraft propulsion system. So let's start. It is a science which deals with aero engines and its subcomponents. Friends, we described each by each detail what is engines, aero engines and subcomponents of that particular science. So it is a science which deals with aero engines and its subcomponents. Friends, it is also known as the branch of aeronautics and aerospace. It is a branch of aeronautics and aerospace which deals with the aircraft and spacecraft powerhouse system. Friends, powerhouse system, you simply here see the diagram of fighter plane. Here the locations of powerhouse, because here engine is located. So we use two different words, aircraft and spacecraft. Two words are totally different, so you see each one my words. So aircraft and spacecraft are the flying vehicles which are heavier than the air, and propulsion means moving forward. Are you study of the propelling, a system which is propelled move forward, that is known as propelling system. So to make the aircraft in motion we need a force. If we want to move this fighter plane forward, move forward, then we need a force, and that force equals to what? M into a mass multiply acceleration. Force equals to, we need force, and which is generated by the momentum of gases. Here the exhaust gas, this gas is generate momentum you taking mass multiply velocity, that is the momentum you take here, and this momentum is created by the exhaust gases which propel this fighter plane. And friends friend this momentum is created by this exhaust gases, and it is produced with some pressure and velocity. This momentum of gases or air is produced using the propulsion device. Here we talking laterally in next video. Propulsive devices are aero engines. It is known as the variation in kinetic energy and pressure energy of the fluid across the engine components leads to the required force generation. We using two words, pressure energy and velocity. Pressure energy and kinetic energy. So you know simply kinetic energy equals to what? Kinetic energy equals to half mv square, and we are some words we using Bernoulli equation to flights. So Bernoulli equation say that P, that is the pressure, rho V, density rho Z, density and gravity, plus V square, that is the velocity, 2Z plus Z equals to constant. This is a datum line, and here velocity, gravity and P is the pressure. So pressure energy used in this flight, pressure energy and kinetic energy used to propel this aircraft. So we take a simple example, take a balloon shape. Friends, here taking a example of balloon to understand why. Friends, here the balloon example we taking to understand how the aircraft, spacecraft are move forward. So here example, when air we filling inside this balloon, then this balloon is pressurized on this balloon material, and my balloon material is get stretched out, and this stretched out materials of these balloons is furthermore stop, and if we release this balloon, then this air comes out like this in this direction. These directions of this air comes out to lead to move forward of that balloons in these directions. So friends, you note here, this is the action reaction. Newton's law, you know Newton's law. This is the action and reaction lead to propelling this balloon. Action is here of these gases, and reaction is opposite this to go forward